How to fix Android ghost touches. Ghost touches can make our phone tap things on its own, open apps randomly, and become unstable. So, if we do not fix it, it can lead to long clicks or even data loss. So, let's fix it step by step. First of all, we may turn off our phone. We can hold the power button for that and turn off our phone, and we can clean out the screen with a microfiber cloth, remove the dirt, oil, or the moisture. And apart from that, what we can do is we can enable safe mode as well. So for that, you can hold the power button and hold the power off option. And when we do a safe mode option appears on our screen, you may just go over and tap on it. And once we do so, you can just go over and select safe mode and fix the issue because a third party application may be causing the issue. Also update our Android software. So we may head over to our settings for that, and within settings scroll down, find the option for software update, and within here if there is any kind of available updates we may update it, and that should also work out for us. And also, if nothing else work, we can do a factory reset as a last resort. So for that we may head over to the section for general management within our settings and scroll down, find reset and tap on it, and within reset go to the section for factory reset, tap on it and confirm it up, and that should erase everything and also fix the issue. Only do this if nothing else works, and even if your screen is cracked or water damage, it may need a screen replacement. Sometimes it may be a hardware damage, and that's it. Usually these steps should fix the Android ghost touches. We may follow up for more quick Android fixes, so give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.